Dito na kami sa town. Kibaba malamig. Hingal nami. Coast tayo.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you next time.
See ya. Uwi na tayo. Meron siyang nakuha from her teacher sa ballet dance. Yan. Meron siyang bag of lollies. Yeah, okay. We're home. a lot. Nagkataon lettuce kasi gusto nila raw ng salad. So, ayan na yung food. Yung kay Jan na lang yung nasa microwave.
Last night.
So, ayan, kain na kami. Ayan na yung food ni Johnny Boy.
Big day, you're gonna hate that.
That's it.
Mom, my
It's
first
hot?
thing. Dad, Mom, my first thing.
Yeah, careful.
Double. That's the first thing. Back. One more thing.
I thought it was bigger.
No, it's only same. Baba, can you put your bag, please?
Why do you put leaves in? Oh, you want that? Come on. Mom, I want some,
Salad.
I just want, cranberry and lettuce. Hey, where's my spoon go? Oh, why is it there? Oh.
Okay. You want this, Holly?
I use my fork.
Okay, Kuya? Alright.
You like cucumber, Dad? You like cucumber? Lettuce?
Here's the...
What's your favourite vegetable? Potato? Yes, Mum, is potato a vegetable? You like carrots? You like carrot food? What do you think tomatoes are? A fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit.
Fruit! I love that food.
Can I have the okra? I need soy
That's
sauce.
a okra.
Yeah.
Brownlow, we know we had a great 2/3 of the season. The last third, we need a little bit of standard.
Yes.
Certainly, like Walker's chance of the Valley. Jack Butters.
That's fun.
Right in his heels, there's no doubt about that. A little earlier on, Nick Dacos, by the way, did a runner from the red carpet here and
Yeah,
slipped through a side door, avoiding all the attention. But he did catch up with his coach and a few others here on the red carpet. Obviously, Nick's going to be getting no most later this season, but hopefully he's in front to hang on.
Good?
Super special in
Very good.
Everything's been must play a part. I mean, the last one, I mean, I'm looking forward to it. You know, got amazing players and a big great winner and maybe.
Wait, what?
I think Darcy Harris is all that merit.
I've got to say, Nick Dacos, well, if you're looking for a bit of smart money, he's the man, that's sure. Don't be surprised.
Him or Jack Butters? Is it the carbon metal? No, the other one, like, is it brown or... No, this is the brown one, this other one is starting with C. Carbon. How...
Meron tayong calamansi with sili.
In terms of evolving and growing, I think
You like it, huh? Good?
is tapping into his MCG memories as a
I
promise.
have an okra, please.
And that's their first grand final. And he's expecting a special family member to be in the stands on Saturday.
And crispy. Give me, no, pass me. You don't do that, sir. You have to pass the plate. not that.
Sunny.
There's okay. And then the adobo, please. You do good adobo.
I have. That's my first thing to eat.
Oh, look at that long one, Mum.
Mama. I want to eat this one.
Saturday, I sort of want to play the world happy to
Hundreds of Lions fans will make a half-hour trip from the city to Britain's base here in Springfield to get a
Are you still hungry?
at open training tomorrow. This will be Thursday's main session where Jack Payne's grand final
Okay, good job.
will go.
Mom, do you think when you're so hungry and then you just eat a bit, do you get full like after like 5 bites?
Spicy.
I love spice.
So spicy. Careful.
Too spicy.
Yeah, careful.
Yes, think. And you put that. Have you put it all? I'll put extra, Mum.
You have to dip your okra.
It's mild.
Can I have more okra, please?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we saw those taste.
So can you put the orange, Holly, please? Put the orange here.
I thought the massive snitches was like a special. Anyone want a drink?
Water, please. I got water in the car, honey. Did you get it?
Fruit box, please.
No water, no.
Oh, no, something. Good one. That one. Oh, sorry.
You take like Hawaiian bath? Wow! But I got to put it on the side like this. Not there.
Why don't you just give me one? Both. Are you full up? Oh, is that? Oh, it's like that big.
I want to pop it on there.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Mum, the snitch like that big.
So close.
Mine is this color.
Mom, I didn't know it.
I know.
All I taste is just hell months.
Don't eat too much if you're
You
full.
feel like you're about to throw up.
Mindful on the hand is defined by moments.
That's what Tara.
When you back your judgment, or make a call, and put your trust in those around you.
Well, it's like
Can you grab that water there, please?
Guys, see that fly up there? Get me a water, Oh, Mom, I forgot to get you water.
There's little Coke bottles in here everywhere.
That's what. Don't open another one.
That's fine.
Make sure you push the shut. Chona in the air now. In the air now. Take it off.
It's hard. It's hot.
What are you not eating? Here, get more.
Oh, what are they?
Oh, what's on this? I thought it was
Ah,
It's not spicy, but
That's spicy.
I think you just ate it the wrong way.
let me truffle
You did.
Si Jan tapos na, nag-donut na si Johnny Boy. Nag-dessert na siya. Si Kuya gusto pa ni Kuya ng toyo na may kalamansi with sile. Sobrang sarap ng ating pork belly cracking. Wala na, ubos na, ayan no.
Huh?
No more. Gusto yung taba ng adobo.
Yeah. And the oranges that I like.
Yung orange na lang yung kinakain nila. Tapos na silang kumain. Cute nila. Si Kuya lumipat na pala doon kasi kumakain siya ng orange. So maghugas na ako. Yung natira na lang ay, ayan, konting adobo. But the rest halos na ubos. Lalo na to. Ang benta ng ating yung pork belly cracklings. And yung adobo, konti na lang din. And may natirang konting orange. And salad, almost ubos. So yan, magugas muna ako. Yung mga bata, naliligo na.
Roy gave a thingy.
Which one?
Roar. And shook its mane of petals.
Yeah, what's that?
Petals.
That's right, petals.
What's petals?
Petals, like that. See that flowers there?
Oh,
That's a petals.
you must have made it with your magic, said Olive. How you made a thing
Tiny. Tiny,
Because
like,
I thought because in the vowel, like A-I-O-U, I thought when tiny, when it makes a long vowel, it has an E at the end.
has an E. Yes. Tiny. That's like, it sounds like there's an E, but doesn't.
Pretend there's a no E there.
Yeah, that's a tiny.
Tiny
Means, tiny means small, like little.
Like, I said this plate's really little.
No, this is a small. Tiny is like small. Yeah, tiny.
Like an ant.
Yeah, it's a tiny ant.
Flower wing. Oops. Pearl said she was just trying to make an apple. How had she turned Olive's flower into a loin. What's a loin? A loin.
Where's one?
Did you get large too?
Lion. Turn olives flour into a lion.
Oh, because that doesn't.
Lion.
Guys, look at this lion. It turned into a flower. Lion. The lion looked up at them wonderingly and said, I don't think it's happy with you, said Olive, and it bit my ear. Oh dear. Mum, I'm on the 27 page
Well done.
because I'm on chapter 2. Ooh, wheat flew down that lion she. What does that word say? That word say.
Squawk. So, bad lion, she squawked. The lion, roar.
The lion
Three
roared,
jumped back and fell over.
jumped back and fell over. Owie. Roar!
Tapos na ako dito guys maglinis. Ayan, malinis na yung ating kusina. Parang walang nangyaring pagluluto. Ayan, malinis na. And nagawa ko na si Jan ng kanyang lunch. May donut siya dito. And chocolate. And Vegemite scroll. Bumili ako sa Coast. And si Holly, habang nagugas ako, nagbabasa siya.
Guys, I read
What chapter are you now?
chapter 4.
Ka-start niya lang. Basahin si Pearl. Yung ano
It's
to?
called
The
Unicorn.
The Magical
And this is
Unicorn.
how much pages I
Yeah. So, habang nag-
and I just started it.
yeah.
Well, I
Okay.
didn't just. I started it.
Yeah, you just started today.
I started it
Well,
today.
Yeah, while mommy's washing the dishes.
And while you were cleaning up
Yeah.
the table.
Alright guys, we're gonna close the vlog na. Yun na
And
yung
I'm
vlog.
up to this word.
Ang galing niyo na magbasa.
Magic. So,
Okay, close the vlog.
thank you for watching our vlog.
Look at here.
Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next one.
Good
Bye.
night, guys.
Good night. And you might see us tomorrow.
Alright, good night,
Because that's when
guys.
we always do it.
Because I think